Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 10. English with little angel reader. Hi, I'm Wolfie. I am Wolfie.
I'm Max. I have 2 fish in my fish tank.
Yeah, I know. I love your fish.
Max has 2 fish. Fish, fish. 1 yellow fish, 2 yellow fish. 1 blue fish, 2 yellow fish. Blue, blue. This fish is big. A big fish. Small fish, small fish. Big, small. A big fish, a small fish.
Who is big?
Who is big?
The elephant is big.
The elephant is big.
Who is small?
Who is small?
The mouse is small.
The mouse is small. Squeak, squeak.
Mouse, mouse. Squeak, squeak.
What do you have?
I have a book.
A book.
I have a book.
Max, who is big?
The elephant is big.
The elephant is big. And who is small? Who is small?
The mouse is small.
The mouse is small.
Look and find. Do you see fish? Fish, fish. Look and find. Fish, fish.
We have a new picture.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's just a
Fish.
fish. F. Where's F? F. F. The letter F makes F sound. I. We need I for E sound. Fish. And do you remember how to make sh? We need 2 letters for sh. S H. S S.
I know.
For snake. Okay. Fish. You know. You're smart, Max. Fish. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Well done, Max.
Thanks.
Fish? Max is 7 years old now. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Happy birthday, Max. Happy birthday. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Happy birthday, Max. Happy birthday. Bloop, bloop.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, little angel reader. Yay. Okay, Max, ready? Happy birthday, little angel reader.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Max.
This is a book. Happy birthday, Max. How old is Max? He is 7.
How old are you, Max?
7. I'm 7.
How old are you, Max?
7. I'm 7.
How old are you? I am. Colors, colors. Blue, blue. A blue balloon. The boy has a blue book. The boy has a blue book. Brown, brown. A brown horse. The brown horse is drinking. It is drinking. I see a brown dog. I see a brown dog. I see a dog. It's brown. I see a brown bear and a fish. I see a brown bear and a fish. I am a brown bear. I am a brown bear. Grrr. White, white. The white horse is drinking water. 5 white horses are running. This brown bear is big, and the girl is small. This is a polar bear. This is a polar bear. It's white. It's white. Blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Do you see a blue frog? This frog is blue. This fish is blue, yellow, and white. Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
What do you see? I see 2 yellow bananas. I see 2 yellow bananas. I see 2 yellow dolphins. I see 2 yellow dolphins. The dolphins are dancing. Wolfie is dancing. We are dancing.
We are dancing.
We are dancing. We are dancing. This apple is green, and this apple is red. Green.
Our slime is green. We love slime. Do you like to play with slime?
The slime is green.
The slime is green.
9 red.
Red 0.
Red 0. 9 red. Red 9. Wild. Wild. I can choose any color. Max, I want blue. Do you have any blue? Okay, put any blue card.
1 blue.
1 blue. Okay. 6 blue.
4 blue.
4 blue. 1 blue.
7 blue.
7 blue. 3 blue.
2 blue.
2 blue. Okay. 6 blue. Go fish. Okay. 6 green. Oh,
2
Uno.
green.
Uno. I have 1 card left. 2 green. 1 green. Your turn. I won. I'll go fish again. Nothing? Okay, you go fish and I'll go fish.
The boy is walking in the snow. He is 7.
I'm walking.
I am walking.
I'm walking.
The girl is jumping into the water. Two dolphins are jumping. The man and the dolphins are jumping. Egg. An egg.
An egg.
The boy has 6 eggs. The boy has 6 eggs. 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 Big and small eggs.
Max is making a big yellow egg. He's finishing his egg puzzle. Okay, Max, you're almost done. Is your egg big or small?
Big.
It's big. And what color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. What are you making now, Max?
Green.
Small or big?
Small.
Small. Okay. Okay. Pretty eggs. Bye.
Bye.
Max, how many eggs are there? 6.
2.
More than 2. 6.
2.
Look, we can count by twos. Look. 2, 4, 6.
Ooh, tickle, 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 tickle. You don't want to count by twos? What's next? What's next? Homework. I have a fish. Max has 2 fish. Blue, brown, white, green. Who is big? The elephant is big. Who is small? The mouse is small. We are dancing. An egg. The boy has 6 eggs. The green egg is big. The yellow egg is small. I love you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Bye. Like and subscribe, please.
If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. English with Little Angel Reader, Level 1, Lesson 10. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.